Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about how to interpret the different quartiles. So we're going to talk about a key concept here, interpreting data from VoxPlot. We're looking at interpreting quartiles. So we've talked before about how the quartiles, Q1, the median, and Q3, divide the data up into 4 equal sections, right? So there's a 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sections here. So if we take 100% of the data and divide that by 4, we get 25. So what we really have here are 4 sections of 25%. 25% of the data is in each of these 4 sections. Okay? So, knowing this, we can answer some really interesting questions about the data. So let's scroll down here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's just answer some questions. Okay, so try to remember this diagram. Let me erase a little bit off of it first. And just remember that each of your numbers, Q1, the median, and Q3, divide your data into 4 equal pieces. Okay, so let's go down here. So now check out this box plot here of bowling scores. And let's first go through and estimate the values of the 5-number summary, because we need to know those things, right? So let's pull the 5-number summary off of here. So we'll start here with the median. So this is our minimum, my bad. Start with the minimum. Our minimum here is going to be about 60. Okay. Q1 is the left side of this box. So between 80 and 90 is 85. Your median, middle of the box, is 100. Your Q3 is going to be over here. 120, and then your maximum is going to be at 140. So we got our 5-number summary. No big deal. What is the maximum score? We already answered that. 140. Awesome. Ooh, what's the IQR? Do you remember that from yesterday? IQR is Q3, so that's 120. Minus Q1, which is 85. So what's that going to be? 15, 20, 35? Okay, let's get down here to the questions about percentages. So these last 2 questions, number 4 and number 5, are about percentages. So let's remember that our data is divided into 4 pieces, right, by Q1, Q2, and Q3. Okay, so each one of these pieces is exactly 25%. So each of the 4 pieces is 25%, just like the diagram at the top of the screen. Come on, 5%. Okay, so the question says, what percentage of bowlers got above an 85? Above 85. So above 85, that's going to be our numbers are bigger than 85, right? X is bigger than 85. So what is 85? Well, 85 is Q1, right? And if we're going to be above 85, this is going to be everything larger than our Q1 here. So how many sections of 25 does that cover? So if we're going to be here at Q1, How many sections of 25 does that cover? So 3 sections of 25, 25 plus 25 plus 25 is 75%. So 75% is above an 85 because each of these sections is 25%. Not 25 the number, but 25% of the data. Okay, let's try the next one. I guess we'll go to yellow here. What percentage of bowlers got below a 100? So below a 100. So where's 100 in our data? Well, 100 was the median, right? This is 100 right here. And we want to be below 100. So that's below is less than. So below 100 is going to be everything from 100 all the way back to the minimum. So how many sections are we covering if we go start at Q2 and go backwards like that? How many sections of our graph are we covering? Well, we're covering 2 sections. We're covering the space between Q2 and Q1, and we're also covering the space between Q1 and the minimum. So it's 2 sections. So that's 25 plus 25 is 50. Okay, I know that's a little bit weird, but you can do this. I want you to try this next group of problems here. These are all open-ended, okay? So just pause the video and try these first, and then go watch the video and the next video and see if you got it right. Good luck.